Hello everyone, this is Nishant from RadioScribeAI. So basically in this video, we'll just see how the app works and how you can dramatically reduce your reporting time and also make reporting way more easier using the app. So we just log into the app and go to the app. And once we are in the app, you can just head down to the click to start recording button. So say you have got a case of MRI shoulder. So we can use the template here. Right now we have for CT and MRI all the templates, but we'll also be adding for ultrasound. So we select MRI and then we go into the drop down and we select the shoulder one. So let's say you've got a case of MRI shoulder and we will now write the findings. So let's go ahead and dictate the findings to the app. So just click on click to start recording and we'll go. So we have got a 50-year-old male, diabetic male, who presents with difficulty in rotation of left shoulder, and there's also pain in the shoulder. There's this decreased range of motion. The pain is more at night. So in the MRI scan, we see there is evidence of T2 and PDFS hyperintensity in the region of rotator interval, as well as soft tissue thickening in the region of rotator interval with thickening of inferior glenohumeral ligament and mild joint effusion. The bony cage and the bony structures appear normal, and rest of the soft tissue structures also appear normal. There are no other positive findings in the shoulder. So please draft the body as well as an impression based on these findings. So as we do this, we just go ahead and click on transcribe. And then once you click on transcribe, it goes into the processing mode and it will take around 3 to 4 seconds. And here we have got the transcription ready. So we have got the transcription here of whatever you have said. And this is usually very accurate, but even if there are few spelling mistakes or something here and there, we can correct it with intelligent correction. So just next, you can edit this, but you can also go ahead and structure report with AI. And once we do that, it takes around 10 to 20 seconds. And if it's a bigger report, it will take you a bit more time. But once you do that, it will just take a few minutes, not minutes, but just a few seconds to get the job done. And we'll see the structure report over here. So just give it some time. And in the meanwhile, I can also show you some additional features. So we also have a feature of comparing with the previous report, which is very helpful in onco scans or follow-up scans. And also you can include your signature. So we have already got the report structure. You've got the drop down showing it. So we'll go and see how the report is. So this is the structure report. And in this, we can see clearly the clinical history, which we have provided of a 50-year-old male with left shoulder pain, decreased range of motion, worse at night, and also the technique as well as the findings. The more you are descriptive with it, the better it becomes. And in this example, I just said few of the important findings. So the others, the normal findings are still kept as just normal. And then here we can see the findings which have been interpreted. So here we have there's T2 weighted and PDFS hyperintensity and soft tissue thickening in rotator interval with thickening of inferior glenohumeral ligament and mild glenohumeral joint effusion. And impression findings compatible with adhesive capsulitis, frozen shoulder of the left shoulder, evidenced by this thickening in the rotator interval and thickening of inferior glenohumeral ligament. So as you can see, I didn't really tell the app of whether it's a frozen shoulder or not. I just describe the findings which you'll normally expect in adhesive capsulitis, and it immediately did the job. and it dramatically reduces your typing time, especially when you're doing much bigger reports. So that's how it will help. And also, furthermore, you can export the report. So once you export um, the report, it will export as a Word file, which you can then open and edit it. So in this patient, we have not written the ID and name, but you can put that, and then it will structure it as per the format, and you'll also get the impression, and you can also add the advice if needed. So that's how basically it works, and it will dramatically reduce your time. So hope you'll enjoy reporting using the app, as it will be really helpful and reduce a lot of your burden. That's all for today. Thank you.